I'm Prakash, welcome to my channel. In this short video I'm going to show you a wonderful tour which we did in the province Krabi in south of Thailand. We stayed in Ao Nang, and from there we took the very big ferry and went to the Phi Phi Islands, and from there we took a Longtail Boat and did some island hopping and some snorkeling. This was a beautiful epic tour, so you're going to really enjoy this, the pictures. They're really gorgeous. We took a very big ferry from Ao Nang to the Phi Phi Islands. The great advantage was because it's so big, you have a very calm ride, so you can just sit back and just enjoy this beautiful scenery passing by. It's so beautiful. You see the coastal line, and then you see this beautiful cliffs and the water, dark green blue, and then you have some spots where the sun shines through, just where the water is a little bit shallow, which is close to the coast, and it's like a blue green. It's so beautiful. I mean, it's something. It looks so fantastic. As we arrived at Phi Phi Island, the island was packed with people, actually. I think that is one of the drawbacks with this ferry, because it takes such a long time. It took 2 hours to travel almost, and you are coming at 11 a.m. So arriving at Phi Phi Island. So due to that fact, so it's already everyone who's living close by have been already coming with their boats, speed boats and everything onto the island. So the island was pretty packed. But in any way, it was really beautiful when you just arrived there. And my friend, who is a tour guide, she organized already a longtail boat for us to do the island hopping tours and the snorkeling and everything. So that was pretty convenient for us.
This is the moment of the water. It's really surprising, isn't it? It's such a beautiful color.
You see more here, the next day. More here. Okay, now. There's one nothing.
Mm-hmm.
ตรงไหนถึงจะเห็นสวยอ่ะตรงไหนถึงจะเห็น This area beautiful.
Okay.
Or you go first. Go check for me.
Check what?
Check if it's beautiful. Above water and then underwater.
Okay. It's already filled. It's all of it.
안심한 사이 내 맘을 훔친 너 회색 빛에 내 하루가 점점 너만의 태도로 날 물들여가 You set my world on fire 내 세상에 번져 날 사랑하고 내 표현한 걸 함께 나고 싶어 항상 같은 맘 잊지 말고 늘 내 곁에 있어줘 You set my world on fire You set my world on fire 가득한 동화 속 주인공 하나가 맘속에 불꽃 되어 작은 온기 전해주기 날 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 나고 싶어 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 함께 있어줘 You set my world on fire
Hope you really enjoyed this video, and I would really appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot, and as I always say, there are more videos coming, and yes, I hope to see you soon. So until next time, take care, be happy, bye bye.